Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. How are you doing today? Hey guys, today we have Celebrate States. Have you ever thought about a subscription that takes you to various states of our fine United States where we can visit and get a little taste of what it's like in our individual states? And there's 50, and so far we've gotten about 7 or 8 of them, and we're going to see where we're going this month. This is the January Celebrate States. It is $45 a month plus shipping. You can get it for less if you subscribe for 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. You can also save 20% with my code MissJackie20. You can save 20% on your first order. So hey, let's get on to this box and see where we're headed. We're going to open it up here, and it looks like we're going to Arizona. All right. We always have a little product card and information on top. We got a Hi Vicky, that's my name. I'm Miss Jackie Russell on here, but my name's Vicky. Hi Vicky, we hope you love exploring the Arizona this month, and thanks for being part of the Celebrate States family. So it's always nice to get a little handwritten note like that. This here is our product card, and it's the Arizona Saguaro Cactus box. Interesting. We always get like maps and I guess informational, for tourism. If you want to go to the west coast of Arizona, want to go to Phoenix and central Arizona. So if you're planning a trip to Arizona, it's got some nice tidbit information. They've got a ranch retreat information. I've heard some great places that you can go. They've got a base camp there. So they've just got lots of things to do in Arizona. Not to mention just seeing the beautiful landscape around there. They also sent us a map, so if you're driving, you can find your way around. And then once we get all the paper out, we're done with our little foozles, our little shreds. So let's just hop in here and see what we have. The first thing I'm seeing is a big bag of Chia Cookies. Yay! Hey, did y'all know how good chia is for you? It's very healthy. So I'm glad to see that someone's made some cookies with chia in it, and their chocolate chip on top of that. Alright guys, this is Audrey's Chia Cookies. Located in Mesa, Arizona, Audrey is a wife, a mom, a runner, and an outdoor enthusiast. She discovered the power of chia seed and began incorporating them into her lifestyle. Audrey's Better For You cookies are packed with antioxidants and omega-3s. Ooh, I bet they are. Should we try one real fast? Let's give it a little try. Let's see what they look like. Oh, look. Now you can see the chia seeds on there. They're falling onto my computer. It's a real thin cookie. Very crunchy. And very tasty. And maybe this will build up my immune system after being sick with bronchitis for so long. Very good. It's almost like a cracker cookie. It's very crunchy and it's very delicious. So I would recommend these for sure. Okay. The next thing I'm pulling out of here is called Olive Tapenade. I'm not quite sure how to say that. It is a Jocelyn and Company. Jocelyn and Company, located in Peoria, Arizona. Jocelyn and Company was founded by Debbie Quintana. She named the company after her granddaughter Jocelyn. Jocelyn and Company offers a variety of gourmet cookies, crackers, meats, spreads to online and brick and mortar shops across the United States. So this is going to be an olive type spread. So I'm assuming if you can look inside there, might be different types of olives. And I love to eat green olives and black olives. So that ought to be very tasty on a cracker. That'd be great. Let's see what else we have in here. Looks like we have some dessert gathering rock candy. Hey, I've heard of rock candy, but I've never had any. And this is by Desert Gathering Rock Candy. It says it's jelly beans. Those are some huge jelly beans. Okay, this is rock candy pebbles. These candies look like real rocks, but are real jelly beans. Allergy statement. These are manufactured in a facility that's processed with peanuts, tree nuts, and milk, egg, wheat, and soy. But I bet these are delicious. And aren't they really big and pretty? Wow. And they do look like rocks. Let's see what our next item is. Looks like we might have gotten a knife spreader to go with our olive spread. Well, now y'all know that I subscribed for a little while to a cactus company that I got a cactus plant every month, and I finally had to just stop getting it because I was getting too many cactus. But it looks like I'm going to get to grow a giant Saguaro cactus. That's what it is. What's in your Arizona I don't know how to say that. Saguaro cactus box? Well, a cactus, of course. Let's begin with that. Grow your very own Saguaro cactus with this special kit. It includes Saguaro cactus seeds, soil, clay pot, instructions, and information. And it says it takes to germinate inside 11 to 21 days straight from the Arizona desert. So that's pretty cool. I can't wait to try that out. Very interesting that they send us a cactus because you know Arizona is just loaded with cactus. Let's see what our next item is. We got a Mountain Arizona, and this looks to be a soap, an invigorating aromatherapy soap with essential oils of cypress, balsam, pine, and orange. So that, I can't smell through the package very well, but it sounds very nice. So I don't know if this is a bonus or goes with something else. Let's see what else we have here. Okay guys, you know the little olive spread? Looks like they sent us some artesian crackers. So with this, as a set, I got the spread, I got the crackers, and I got the spreader knife. Isn't that nice that they brought all of that and included it in the box? That is excellent. I'm telling you, they think of all the details. And our last two items are from the same company, and it is called the Arizona Craft and Candle Company, located in Tucson, Arizona. And we have a candle, and it is a Desert Marigold, and we have a Mountain Arizona soap. I've already told you a little bit about the soap. And then our candle here is in a gold canister. Very pretty. And it's called Desert Marigold. Oh, and it smells really good. I would say, I don't know, maybe it smells like the desert. Very nice. It says Kaylee began making candles as a hobby soon after that. Her first child was born, and she expanded into soaps, lotions, and sprays. So we get a little collection that she's sharing the tranquility of the desert no matter your location. So we've got, like I said, a little bit of taste of both. We have some of her homemade soap and a candle. So in this box for Arizona, we had our soap and our candle. We have our cactus, and I never figured out how to pronounce that. Saguaro. I'm not sure, but I've got a cactus. We have our rock candy jelly beans, which I'm looking forward to trying out. We got our cookies, our Chia Cookies, which are very tasty. And we got our little set, olive crackers, our spread, and the little knife. So this was a great box. And if you've ever considered Celebrate States, I would highly recommend it. And again, you can save 20% off your first box. Just use Miss Jackie. I'll have that information down in the description. One other thing I'd like to mention is I do have a collaboration that's out there. It does have a giveaway. There's 6 ladies in this collaboration, and you do have to be publicly subscribed to all of us. But go check out those videos, enter for the prizes, and you may be one of the winners. And as far as that goes, that's all I have today. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.